Hello, it is Vanna from Cheap Nails. If you need to stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, we're doing an experiment. I have been wondering for the longest time because I've always heard that Desitin is good for your nails because it makes them shiny. It helps them grow. I've always heard that. So we're gonna try it out on my toes and my feet. Yep, in this video, I'm gonna be putting Desitin on my toes and my feet for 7 days, and we're gonna look at the before and after and see what happens. And I know that maybe 7 days. Do you see this fly flying around here? I got this here, but I haven't been able to, don't let him bother you. Okay. I don't know if 7 days would be long enough to show total results. My nails are super long, my toenails. But I don't know, we're just gonna try it out. I'm gonna put Desitin on my toes, my toenails for 7 days, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's get started rubbing this on my feet. I bet you one thing, I'm not probably gonna be able to get the Desitin out of my toe cuticles. I'm just telling you right now. But it's gonna be fun. So let's get started.
Alright, here is my foot. Now, as you can see, my toenails look pretty good, but I did dent them a while back, so I have done some nail repair on these, and I made a whole video about it, and I'll link it up in the I button. But here's what they look like. They're not totally out of the woods. I still have some kind of cracks, I guess you can say. I don't know, my toenails are kind of brittle. And also I got a cat scratch on my foot, so that's what the scratch is from. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the star of this video, which I never knew that would be a star of a video that I would make. But here is the Equate Diaper Rash Ointment, other known as Desitin. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Desitin, and I'm just gonna rub it on my nails and on my whole foot. Because I decided to just moisturize my whole foot. I don't know, I just didn't want to rub it on my nail bed. I kind of wanted to rub it on my foot too, and maybe rub it on that cut. Maybe my cut would heal up faster. I don't know. So I went ahead and really rubbed it on not my entire foot, just my toes and up by where my foot was scratched. Yeah, cat scratches, you get them. I pretty much really tried to rub it into my nails though, because that's the thing that I've heard that I've used Desitin on your nails, that it will make them shiny and help them to grow. So I put it on my foot, as you can see, but I basically really rubbed it into my cuticles and into my nail plate. Alright, we're all Desitin-ed up. Is Desitin a hard word to spell? This is exactly how I applied the Desitin. I just put it on, I don't know, half my foot all the way up to that cat scratch. Then I put it on my nails, and now I'm gonna just put on my sock. Because, I don't know, can you imagine walking around the house or laying in your bed with feet full of Desitin? Yeah, you would get Desitin everywhere, and I didn't want to get Desitin everywhere. So I went ahead and just put my sock on. But, I'm going to show you real life here, and, I put my other sock on, because I put Desitin on both of my feet, but here, I'll show you real life. It's, the fact that I don't have matching socks. I don't know, I couldn't find the other black socks, so I was like, I'll just take this snowflake sock and put it on. So yeah, this is real life. Sometimes you just don't have matching socks, But, yeah, this is what I did. I went ahead and applied my Desitin to my whole foot and nails and everything. I kind of rubbed it in, and then I put my socks on. And then for the next 7 days, I did the exact same routine. I woke up, put Desitin on my kind of cat scratch, then I rubbed it into my nail plate, and then I put my socks on, and I went on with my day. I did this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. 7 days later, and boom! Here are my nails after the Desitin treatment. Are we calling it the Desitin treatment? And I gotta say, they feel a lot stronger, and they are shiny. Now, I know you're thinking, you can kind of see that I have kind of cracks in my nail, and that is not from the Desitin. Those were very hard to catch on my camera, but then after I kind of got Desitin stuck in kind of the cracks on my toenails, now you can kind of see them. So they were always there. If nothing else, the Desitin really helped kind of my nails to grow a little bit more, and of course, the only thing that's going to get rid of that brittle and cracks on my nails is to grow them out, to grow new nail. So I think that the Desitin really helped with that. If you want to see a video on me explaining how my toenails kind of got bad, you know, how I kind of, I don't know, I kind of revived them a little bit because they were worse than this. I'll link the video up in the icon button and down in the description box. I highly recommend you checking that out. Because it's all about like foot toenail repair. So yeah, the Desitin, it kind of helped my nails grow a little longer, it moisturized them, and you know, it kind of gave them a little bit of a shine. Alright, now we gotta move on to something else I was thinking about putting Desitin. What about all the Desitin that would be in my toe cuticles? So we're going to deal with that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my metal cuticle pusher. And if you use a metal, I always want to say medical. If you use a metal cuticle pusher, please be careful because these can be kind of harsh on your nails. And also, we're going to need cuticle remover because I just put 7 days worth of Desitin in my cuticles and on my nails. So let's grab my favorite cuticle remover, which is the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. And also, I have a blood blister on my pinky. If you're wondering what that red spot is, I snapped my skin in one of those measuring tape thingies, and boy did it hurt. But it doesn't hurt anymore. It's just kind of bruised, so it's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 drop to my nails, but I'm gonna add just maybe, you know what? I'm gonna add 2 drops of cuticle remover to my toenails because there's a lot. I feel like there's a lot of build-up. I don't know what to call this. I feel like this is gross, but I don't know. I don't know what to say. You know, toe cuticles. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my metal. I always say medical. I don't know why. My metal cuticle pusher, and I'm just gonna start kind of gently pushing it back. I am using my metal one just because I feel like it's kind of a tough job to do with a wooden cuticle stick, so I grab my metal one, even though I gotta still be careful because I have actually cut myself with this metal cuticle pusher, so it can be dangerous. You gotta be careful. So I just went ahead and just used it, and I was getting it up, but it wasn't even that tough. But I just went ahead and added another round of it because it was kind of thick because I did put a bunch of Desitin on my toenails for 7 days. So I went ahead and just put a little more cuticle remover and just did the same thing, but I pretty much removed the dead skin off my nails, and then I got the Desitin out of my cuticles. Now with cuticle remover, we're not actually removing our cuticle, we're just removing the dead skin that's on my nail bed, and in this case the Desitin that is on my nail bed. And after I've removed my cuticles and got that Desitin out of my cuticles, I grabbed some vinegar just to clean my nail bed, just some white distilled vinegar, which is my favorite thing to clean my nails off with, and I just grabbed a cotton swab, just put that on my nails, and then I kind of just wipe the vinegar off. The vinegar is a great nail dehydrator, so it gets you all ready to like paint your nails, so I really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of my favorite base coats, which is the OPI Natural Nails Base Coat, and that blood blister on my pinky. Oh, that's all I ever look at in this footage. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my toenails. If you guys are liking this video, please give it a like, because that helps me know that you like the video. So don't forget to drop a like. Alright, so here is the side-by-side of the before and after I used Desitin on my toes. I think they look great, a little more shiny, which I wanted. And here are my toenails. I think final thoughts on the Desitin. I think that it was great. It kind of whitened my nails. It made my nails stronger. They grew a little bit out, which I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to grow out the cracks that I have in my toenails. So, yeah. Now, it was a little kind of weird putting Desitin on my feet every day, but I gotta say it wasn't as hard as I thought because I always wear socks, so I never really noticed. Like, I didn't go walking around the house with Desitin on, getting Desitin everywhere because I always wear socks, so I didn't really notice. And I feel like it did help my nails to be more shiny and to be stronger and whiter. So I really enjoyed using Desitin. I recommend it if you want to use Desitin to strengthen your nails or maybe grow them out. I'm all for it. I really liked this experience. Please subscribe down below if you want to see more awesome content. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!